Okay, we're gonna lubricate a garage door. Recommend moving the car out of the garage, of course.
Is it recording?
Yeah, but you have to film me. There you go. There you go. Nice level. So here's my neighbor, Michelle, who she asked me to lubricate her garage door. I know I'm going to get a lot of haters, all the garage door guys saying, I got something better. I'm just saying, this is a very simple product to use. So Tri-Flow. I calculated my garage door, I'm next door, same garage, similar. And over 10 years, 8 times, it's gone up and down 29,200 times. It's more than 10 years old. Let's call it 30,000 times. And never I've replaced a wheel or roller or anything. So she's going to show you how to do it. And again, just go get some Tri-Flow. If you're a garage door installer, you can always comment on the video and recommend it. You don't need to be a hater, whatever. Stuff works awesome. All right, so Michelle's going to show you how to do it. So we're just going to do a couple joints. So you see right there, she's just doing one quick squirt. So I don't know if you can see that, you probably can. The wheel doesn't look like a sealed bearing, so you can squirt a little grease in that. And then wherever you see the metal on metal, those little pivots there. So she's gonna go to the next wheel. And a roller, there you go. And then she's gonna go over on this hinge. So this is going to the inside of the door. Yep, there's 2 little spots to hit there. Actually, you could do the inside and outside of each of those. A little overkill, there you go. Give Michelle a big hand. So she is a garage door maintenance personnel. Hold on, I don't want my camera getting any more oil on the lens. And you're just going to go down the whole garage door and do that. And that should satisfy you. I would call it every, 2,000 up and downs. You probably want to do this. And it's a done deal. So this would be a lot quieter, and your garage door hardware will last much longer. What do you think? Was it easy?
Yeah.
And what's my reward?
Diet Coke.
No?
Jack and Coke.
Jack and Coke, I wish. A Dr. Pepper.